What are you doing?
I'm doing a pizza sandwich. So
Pizza sandwich?
yeah,
What is that?
it's like a bread. You got two breads,
Yeah.
like a full like this. You see? So then you put tomato
Two
sauce,
slices.
two slices, and then you put tomato sauce
Okay.
on one.
Pomodoro sauce.
Yep.
Okay. And then
And
what is
then you
this?
put mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
From Italy is the best.
Okay. And then?
And then you oh, it broke.
It's okay. It's gonna melt anyhow.
Yeah, so got this one right here.
Let me see.
So we gotta put it like that.
Okay.
And then after that,
Yeah.
we're going to cook it, and then we
Cook it. How are you gonna cook it?
on a pan.
On a pan and it's warming up with a little bit of oil.
Yep, the oil has to go around.
Okay, we'll go around. Okay. Let's close the sandwich and then we cook it.
Yep.
How do you close it?
This is how you close it. You grab one.
Are your hands clean?
Yep. You have to wash your hands the first step.
Okay, what about your nails?
And yes.
Okay.
See?
Let's see. Very good.
And the other one?
Yep.
So you're gonna have clean nails, and then you got to grab the bottom one, put it on.
Whoa, that's easy.
And do
Okay.
it like that. And then we do that for the other ones.
Okay. All right. Good job, Georgia. How many of these sandwiches?
3 for each person.
Wow.
You can do how much you want. I'm a kid who eats a lot and is very hungry, so I am gonna have 3.
All right. Okay, let's cook it. All right.
Then Dada's gonna cook some for him.
Okay. Okay, Georgia, where are you going?
I'm going outside.
Why?
We got some basil here.
Okay.
Wait, which one is basil? This one?
Yeah, this one is, we have also time,
So I just
and
cut.
it's winter time, so it's a little bit weaker. So what are you doing?
I'm cutting basil.
And where are you gonna put the basil?
On the sandwich.
Oh, wow. Do you talk to your basil?
Yes.
What do you say to your basil?
Say, please have a great day.
All right.
You have the best basil. And it goes very
In
well.
the whole neighborhood.
Yeah, in the whole neighborhood.
Okay, so you cut the tips, the top, so you can regrow.
Yeah.
So you see over here? Yeah, cut that off.
Here, maybe?
This one. This one.
Right there?
Yep. All right. So just a little bit, just for the fun of it. It's good to have herbs.
Okay.
All right.
So don't do this at home with sharp scissors. Only if your parent says you can and you're supervised.
Okay, let's go to wash the basil.
Yeah,
we're gonna put the basil inside over here with the mozzarella. Okay, let's do that.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so I got. What do you got over here? I'm sure.
We've got a pan.
Okay.
With
No
with
stick.
oil. Yeah, no stick.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Yep.
And we're warming up on a medium low. Okay.
Yep. Okay,
And,
so we got basil. My dad washed it.
Okay.
So we're gonna open the first sandwich, and we're going to put some.
Yeah, the basil.
Can I put it with my hands?
Yeah, they're clean. Yeah, you're at home. That's why you want to keep your nails short. And okay, you put on top of your mozzarella.
Yeah,
it's a
so
good
we
idea.
need 2 each.
All right.
Then we close this.
And then we close. All right.
And then now we put it on the pan.
All right. Good job. Okay. I guess we're going to repeat this for the other sandwiches?
Yep.
All right. Let's do that.
Okay,
So basil.
Oh, basil is sticking on. Can you just whip it? Okay, no.
Yeah, that doesn't have to be perfect, basil. And basil. And close it. And what is it called this again?
Pizza sandwich.
Okay, and what sauce do you put inside?
Tomato sauce.
Pomodoro?
Pomodoro sauce.
All right. So have your parents helping?
Yep.
I think, can you fit 3?
I think.
All right, let's see. So I'm going to help.
So we got the broken one now.
Broken?
And just enough. It was just enough. You can put extra basil or anything else.
All right, let's do that.
Okay. All right.
You can fit an extra sandwich over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it. Okay. First, you always gotta wash your hands. That's the most important.
Yeah, and what kind of bread are you using?
I'm using bread from Walmart.
Italian
Not
bread?
Italian bread, so
Okay,
it's not those like French ones, the ones that are that. You gotta use like these.
So how long do you think you will be cooking this?
About 5 minutes.
Each way? I think a medium low might take about 3 minutes. Let's set the timer. Yeah. Let's set the time.
Yeah.
All right, so how many minutes did you put?
I put 3 minutes.
Okay, and we're gonna be checking 3 minutes what's up, okay?
Okay, and now we have to grab a spatula.
Okay. Are you almost ready?
Yes, almost ready. We're technically ready now.
Yeah? How many seconds you got left?
5.
All right.
Now 4.
Okay, let's flip this.
Okay.
Do you need help to flip?
No.
So how are you gonna flip?
Professional
Flipper?
Yeah, I used to flip pancakes.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
So hold the pan with one hand, and let's see what you got.
Oh, it's really.
I'll help you. So the parents help you. Okay, and flip. Didn't you? Yeah, we gotta cook the other side.
Oh.
So.
I'm thinking that it's ready because I'm hungry.
I know. Flip it. Wow, look at this. This works. About 3 minutes. Okay. You want me to help you with the other two?
No.
And the pan is busy, huh?
Yeah.
So create yourself some room. Hold the pan. Perfect. You can do that. Good job. Oh. Whoa. It's okay. It's okay.
It came off.
That's okay. That's why you need an adult to help you.
Yep.
Okay.
It's because I don't got enough.
The pen is busy.
Yep.
Maybe it works better with 2.
Yeah, probably.
So you're a semi-professional.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Try one more time. Hold it with. Put a finger on top of the bread. Like this. Yep.
Oh.
Perfect. Good job, Georgia. All right.
It's hot.
So it's hot. So now we're gonna cook it for another 3 minutes.
And then we're gonna put it on the plate.
Okay.
Put it on the plate.
Put a timer for 3 minutes. Don't forget the timer. So.
But 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
All right. Okay. Let's come back and check in 3 minutes. Joe.
Yep.
How many seconds you got left?
5.
Okay.
So let's wait for it to go off.
All right.
Okay.
Looks good.
Now we got our sandwiches ready. And
we turn off the fire.
Yep.
Okay. Hold the pan with your hand.
Bring it a little close. Dad, can you move that?
Yep.
Side.
Yeah. Find the courage. We put it on the plate. Yep, you can do that.
Oh wait, I'm gonna.
It's a busy pan, so so just 2 sandwiches.
Yeah, per time.
Okay, I think you got it. Good, looking good. You wanna show the mozzarella?
After.
Okay.
So
are you gonna be able to eat 3 sandwiches?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm starving.
Okay.
I'm delivering.
Good job, Georgia. So the fire is off. Very good.
Still hot cooked part.
So what's next?
So if you want your sandwich crust, you don't have to do this. If you don't want to do this, just skip on to the next video or anything else. But if you want to cut it, you gotta grab it on the cutting board.
All right. You cut it?
Right. Yeah, we cut it now.
Okay. Move your chair.
Move my chair. Sorry, I'm a little short to do this.
That's okay. Ready? Whoa.
Oh, it came off, but that's what it looks like inside.
Good. Looking good. So what you can do is just, yep, when you hear the crack, it's ready. So that's how you make a mozzarella pizza sandwich?
Yep. Or you
What is it called?
I'm gonna change the name to mozzarella. Wait, pizza sandwich.
Okay. Just push down like this. Yep. When you hear the crack, it's ready. Good. You want to try one more time?
Yep. This one I don't want your help.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Very good. You hear the crack? Good. Wow. You ready for lunch?
Yep.
Okay. So you want to close this? You want to explain everything? You want to recap?
Yeah, okay, so first of all we did bread. No, first we have to do wash our hands. Then we put bread. And then we put the tomato sauce, then 2 pieces of mozzarella. And then two tiny, and you have to cut the basil. When you cut the basil, it would be really good if you could put 2 in each. So you need 3 whole basils.
Okay. I
And
guess
then
we
cut
can
'em.
write the recipe on the
Yeah,
description.
okay.
Okay. So what else you want to say?
Happy New Year!
So this is the new sandwich
Yep.
for the new year?
Yep, 2 p.m. right now.
Yeah. And this is Italian lunchtime at 2
Yep.
2 p.m.
Exact 2 p.m. we're done.
All right.
yeah.
So Happy New Year
Happy New Year.
from Giorgio
Yep.
and from Chef Giuseppe. Ciao.
Ciao.